that shop number in the chat, in the comments. And what's going to happen is we're going to make sure that you get that direct link to that item. So whatever that item you're looking for, shop 1, we have all the way up to, I think, shop 21 today. So we have lots of beautiful items, matching earrings. We got stud earrings. We have bracelets, beautiful new pendants, and there are new items that we're showcasing today. So I'm excited to be back in studio to show you these beautiful beauties, because what's beautiful for Valentine's Day is a beautiful lab-grown diamond. What is beautiful? Hello, wow. Hi. Good to see you in the chat again, as always. Sending you a big heart right there. Again, perfect for Valentine's Day. And we're going to make sure that you get those deals. So one of the ways to get those deals is with our special promo code. We already have that in the chat, live25. That's going to be 25% off today. 25% off today. That is going to be good on the website, good on the app, and also over the phone with our personal shopper. So there you go. There's the code right there. Live 25. That's it. 25% off today. That is fantastic, you guys. When it comes to lab-grown diamonds, they're not only already a great economic option, they're an eco-friendly option. They're 50 to 70% less expensive than earth mine diamonds. So you're already getting a value there. But we're giving you additional value in the shop here at Shop LC because we're giving you those discounts. And you guys, if I see a bundle coming down the line, I will let you know, and that's when you get a double diamond deal, which I feel super excited when I get to announce. But again, I'll let you know if we have any double diamond deals, and that's going to be a great opportunity for you to get more than one lab-grown diamond because you're getting a full gift set. So our personal shoppers are also going to be on standby, 888-835-2237. We're going to also put that in the comments in the chat. You guys, that is going to be the number. You can also order there. Or if you have questions for our customer service team, our personal shoppers are there. 888-835-2237. Write it down. Save it into your contacts. Put it on your forehead. You guys, put it on your little Post-it, put it, send it to all your friends and say, hey, you need to order now. You can also share this live, share the stream, share Shop LC with all your friends and family, because this is going to be where you shop the best value for lab-grown diamonds. So what I'm going to do is I go through each piece. We have 21 items today. What I'm going to do when I go through each piece is you are going to see that retail value, that comparison, that if you bought it somewhere else, it would cost this. If you bought it over there, it's going to cost this. But when you get the Shop LC experience, you are getting the best value. You get your personalized host right here in Emily Mae. You're getting your personal shopper number right here after the fact. So after I'm done and I'm, hanging out at home, you literally are still getting the best customer service. You are still getting taken care of through our phone, our personal shoppers. So just like, again, we used to go to the retail store, like a big department store, and say, hey, I have this budget. I'm looking for this ring or this outfit, or I'm looking for a special event. That's similar, where you might see some things on our show and be like, hey, I love shop 5 and I love shop 9 and I love shop 12. What can you do for me? Well, that's when you call our personal shoppers and say, hey, I want to get 3 items. What can you do for me? All in one beautiful lab-grown diamond bundle. So I'll make sure that I give you the best deals, the best opportunity to look and feel your best. Or if you're giving a beautiful gift of lab-grown diamonds for that day of love on Valentine's Day, we'll make sure you have the best deals. So we got that. We got the shopping number. We got the live 25. We're also going to give you free shipping on orders of $50 or more. So with lab-grown diamonds, that's pretty much you're going to get free shipping across the board. And also, if you are new to Shop LC, you might not know about our fun event, which is Gem Fest. And I know our Shop LCers have been clamoring for another event. I got it for you right here. On February 20th, you are going to want to save the date. Make your road trip plans. Buy your plane tickets if you're not in Texas. Even if you are in Texas, you might just want to fly. And this is February 20th. We're going to give you some cleaning options for your jeweler. Bring them in. We can repair things. Appraisals, jewelry workshops, gem workshops. We're going to have fashion shows. We're going to have shopping. We're going to have gifts. We're going to have refreshments, drinks. You guys, I ate so much fun food when we had the Gem Fest in December, and I got to meet even more people. RSVP with that QR code, with that phone number. If you are Facebook users, we have the Facebook page happening as well, the event page. You can also follow the VIP Shop LC Facebook group. You can join there and also just join our regular Shop LC social channels and see how to RSVP there. So that's a great opportunity, you guys, just to get to know us, get to meet your host. You know, we interact all the time online, but what happens when you meet us in person? Who knows? But we want to make sure that you meet us for the first time. You get one-on-one experience here if you come to Jump Fest. It's really fabulous. So again, mark those calendars. And again, one of the other things that I love about shopping here at Shop LC and why our Shop LCers keep coming back is not only our personal shoppers, not only our lovely, lovely hosts, not only our amazing low-cost prices, but also that we have our purchase feeds program. And this is a program that is near and dear to my heart. It is a beautiful, beautiful opportunity to give back to the world around us, to also buy some beautiful, beautiful pieces. And what happens is you purchase something, whether it is a beautiful pair of stud earrings, whether it is a beautiful, beautiful necklace or some rings, and every purchase you are going to sponsor a meal for a child in need in your name. And we do that automatically. We don't do that where you have to sign up or give an extra donation. You don't have to click on anything at the end of your purchase or anything like that, an extra prompt. All you have to do is purchase today. And you are given that opportunity to literally, we automatically sponsor that meal for a young child. It is a beautiful opportunity. 56 plus million meals have been given so far and provided for children in India and the United States. It is incredible. Incredible program. I'm proud that we get to do that. I'm excited. I want to get to 100 million meals. I want to get to 100 million meals. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to make it happen. The way we make it happen is we work together. We shop together. We talk to each other. We work together to make it happen. So that's what we're going to think about. So what I love is as we get into our shopping for lab-grown diamonds, there are 2 or 3 amazing things that we can accomplish when you shop this specific show. When you shop this specific show, you not only are going to contribute to the purchase feeds program, which is automatic with every show, but that's the number one, right? And then the second thing is lab-grown diamonds are eco-friendly and they're sustainable. You are also putting less water pollution, less stress on Mother Nature. So you're also getting them from a 100% conflict-free zone. So there are so many additional benefits for shopping this show right now because you get lab-grown diamonds and you get to sponsor a child in need. And that's an incredible thing. So we're giving back to Mother Nature. We're giving back to the community and we get to do it together. So that is what we're going to accomplish today during our show. And you have 48 hours to accomplish those goals, to accomplish those New Year's resolutions, to shop eco-friendly, sustainable options, just like we care about the food we put into our body, the makeup, the clothes. We also care about the jewelry and where it comes from and how it's sourced and to make sure it's from a eco-friendly and sustainable place. So we are going to give that to you, that opportunity today. And if you have any questions live, let me know. And if you have questions after the fact, you can call Personal Shoppers. We're going to copy and paste all the SKU numbers to each and every item, 21 of them, in the comments as well. So if you're watching this on the live stream tab later, you can be taken care of. Just copy and paste that look. You can scroll and all of those numbers will still be there. So we're going to get started because we are running a little behind because we have some little technical issues, but that's okay. It happens. And we are going to go into an 8 p.m. show of precious metals. So we have platinum, we have gold, and sterling silver happening at the 8 p.m. hour, which I'm hosting as well. So we're going to end a little early just to regroup and reset for our next show. So it is going to be a whirlwind, but that's okay. Buckle your seatbelts, you guys. Let's go along for the ride of these lab-grown diamonds. So shop one, we're going to kick off here. Ooh, this is a beauty. This is going to be a 10-carat rose gold band, luxuriant lab-grown diamonds. So that means all luxuriant lab-grown diamond items, you are going to get a authenticity card. So that's going to break down the item, the diamond, the quality. This is going to be E through F VS color grade clarity. It is going to be set in 950 platinum and 10 karat rose gold. So you are looking at 2 types of tones of metal. And this is a 2-carat ring. Oh my Lord, this is glorious. Look at this, set in a beautiful 4-prong setting. And when it comes to lab-grown diamonds, you might be like, oh, but it's not an earth mine diamond. And let me tell you, it is identical to an earth mine diamond. minus a few things. Minus a few things, you guys. It is still optically the same as an earth-mined diamond because it is made in the lab chemically using Mother Nature's process. The same carbon atoms, the same hydrogen, the same heat and pressure combined in a small space. And there's two processes that lab-grown diamond companies use to create these. And you are getting literally the same chemical, same optical, and same physical composition of an earth-mined diamond. It's just made in the lab. And you're getting less water pollution, 100% conflict-free. So they are identical. And they are classified by the Gemological Institute as real diamonds. So they're not fake diamonds. They're not cubic zirconia. They're not moissanite. They are just made in the lab, but they are still diamonds. And you're actually going to be able to make an economic and sustainable choice here. So you're giving back to the environment, you're giving back to your wallet, because again, you're putting money back into your wallet and into your pocket because you're saving so much money. So right now, this has 2 tones of metal, that 950 platinum, which is 95% platinum. You're getting 10 karat rose gold, so 41.7% gold. So the fact that you're getting 2 really, really precious metals right now, you're getting that platinum and you're getting gold. So gold was like $5,200 per ounce. I just checked it a little while ago, and platinum is around $2,600 per ounce. That is wild, you guys. That is absolutely wild. Right now, what size do we have? We have sizes 6 all the way through 10. We have sizes 6 through 10. And what I love about this is a little bit thicker. This is, again, a traditional design. That high diamond is set in that 4-prong setting. This is going to be a perfect setting to add an extra eternity band. If this is going to be a bridal set, this is perfect. A great engagement ring for Valentine's Day. Again, Valentine's Day is probably one of those top 3 holidays where people propose. So if you're looking for something, you will be able to get this in time. It looks like before February. So if you order today, we also, again, you'll sponsor a meal for a child in need. And right now, this is normally a $12,000 value. But we have this beautiful floating 2-carat diamond. And you get the border of this band. This sleek band is going to be in that rose gold. And then the center is platinum. So you have, again, an incredible, and it's a little bit thicker, so it's not a thin band. It actually gives you that durability, that stability, that timeless design. So it is going to be, you guys, I got to break down this price here. Right now, we are running out of, let's see, size 6 we're running out of. It says we have size 6 through 10, but honestly, this is a low stock alert. This is a low stock alert all the way around. So you do not want to, again, let this pass you by. So this one is stunning. Right now, we're going to give you free shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee. We're going to give you an 80% discount today. This is normally a $12,000 value. If you went to a larger retail store and said, hey, I want a 2-carat diamond, E through F quality, that is the top, practically colorless. It is practically colorless, practically flawless. No inclusions. It is going to have those incredible 58 facets and that round, brilliant cut. So right now, friends, we're going to drop this, that 25% off today. And it is going to go down to $2,003 today. $2,003 today. That is going to be 5 monthly payments. 5 monthly payments of $400. That's less than $100 a week. You guys, this is absolutely stunning. As you can see, that reflective table is what you want in a diamond. You're going to see all of that shine all the way down from the pavilion to the point. So you want to make sure that you get that beautiful, again, luxuriant lab-grown diamonds are absolutely the best, the best. All of our lab-grown diamonds are going to be pretty much mostly from there. And you're going to see how incredible, versatile lab-grown diamonds can be. So we are going to move on. Again, we have a quick show today because we are going to do precious metal jewelry in our next 8 p.m. hour. So we're going to move on to shop 2, which, speaking of the versatility of lab-grown diamonds, today you're going to see versatility in the colors, the shapes, the sizes, the cuts, the designs of lab-grown diamonds. We're going to have our first beautiful pink diamond ring. We are going to have some red diamonds as well later down the line, but you can get lab-grown diamonds in every color. It's still the same chemical process. It does usually have some heat treatment or some irradiation, but what happens is you're going to see the versatility. We have pink, we have yellow, we have blue. Lab-grown diamonds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. And I love that pink is my favorite. So I'm excited about this next piece. I put it on already because, you know, I couldn't help myself, but look perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh, and this is an Asher cut luxuriant lab-grown pink diamond. They are VS grade, color grade, lab-grown diamond ring in 10 karat rose gold. It is 1.55 carats. Overall, you guys, overall. And look at this design. We have size 6 through 12. We have size 6 through 12. So that's good for you, friends, because that means you have the versatility in sizing as well. That means hopefully it's not a super low stock alert. It does look like I'm running out of each size. So you'll want to get this. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, a wedding anniversary, an engagement, a upgrade. Again, maybe you're celebrating your 5th, your 10th, your 15th wedding anniversary. This is fantastic. You're getting the warmth of that pink. You're getting the radiant charm, that vintage glow, that spark that we love. We're putting all those SKU numbers, friends, in the chat, so make sure that you copy and paste those if you're looking for that, or put the shop too in the comments as well. So look at that beautiful pink Asher cut diamond, all pink and glorious in the center. You're going to have 2 halos of more pink diamonds, matching that kind of hexagonal shape. And you are going to have white colorless diamonds on the left and right side, flanking the shoulder of the band. And look how stunning this is. You also have that sleek band of rose gold. So when it comes to pink diamonds, I always like to have a rose gold tone because that is going to bring out all of the beautiful copper and beautiful brightness. Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely extraordinary. It's set in that rose gold. It brings out those tones that we love. Oh my goodness. And that Asher cut is going to be more the romantic, whimsical, and vintage design cut. So you're going to have a lot of those Hall of Mirrors effect. It's going to be a little bit a softer cut on the edges and a little rigid with those angles and those facets. So it's very, very beautiful and stunning. Very vintage charm, very vintage light there. So can we look, DJ, real quick about how many individual diamonds are in here real quick? So it's almost 2 carats. It's almost 2 carats. And again, I want to double check to make sure that we know exactly how many diamonds, because I know people want to know. They want to know how many diamonds am I getting in this elegant piece. So right now we are looking at 44 round diamonds, 6 round colorless diamonds. So we're looking at 44, 51. We're looking at 51 individual pieces in this ring right here. And honestly, it looks like so much more. It is that octagon shape in the center, and then you get a double layer of round diamonds. It is extraordinary. So again, the water usage is lower with lab-grown diamonds. Again, the amount per carat that is used is less, so that is good for the environment. The water pollution, the conflict-free zone, all beneficial to human and Mother Nature. And again, zero really low carbon footprint, which is really important. Again, we have to really care for Mother Nature. We have to care for what we're putting on our body, in our body, all of that. So this is amazing. Again, and you're getting such a value with this. So this would normally, if you went to another retailer, over almost $11,000, almost $11,000. And you're getting the quality of a pink diamond. I love pink diamonds. I absolutely love them. And here I can afford them because we have budget pay, because we have those interest-free payments, because we have such access to lab-grown diamonds. And this is a great alternative to pink sapphires, great alternative to morganite, great alternative to maybe pink tourmaline. This is a pink lab-grown diamond. And I love this. So right now it is going to be a little bit of that 3-step tiered setting. Again, medium to high profile, really elevating that Asher cut diamond. So charming. And right now, perfect for Valentine's Day, even just a I love you because gift. Shop 2, friends. We are going to have size 6 through 12. Like I said before, we're going to give you a live 25 discount, 25% off today. We're going to drop this to $1,590. $1,590. That is going to be 5 monthly payments of $318. That's going to be 5 monthly payments of $318. Only $80 a week. And honestly, I love this. Look at this. Look how well it goes for Valentine's Day. Right now, size 6 is running out. We have less than 2 in this shop 2 auction. So less than 2. So that's definitely going to go fast. All right, that was shop 2. Now we're moving on to shop 3. We are going to have to speed ahead because we have an 8 a.m. show. 8 a.m. We do have an 8 a.m. show, but we have an 8 p.m. Central show. We want to make sure that we get to all these pieces and that we can reset from the next one. So if you guys, again, want to rewatch this and you're like, oh, I got to shop for some Valentine's Day lovely lab-grown diamonds, you can watch it on our live stream tab on the website, on the mobile app, or on Facebook. It will direct you to that right location. So right now we are going to look at shop 3. And again, gentlemen deserve diamonds too. Gentlemen need some extra bling and some extra sparkle of diamonds. So look at this beauty right here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we are going to look at a 10 carat. We're going to look at a 10 carat white and yellow gold luxuriant lab grown diamond men's ring. So this is 1.25 carats overall. So I love that we have a lot of sparkle because you're getting kind of a cluster channel setting. This is going to be multiple sizes. We have size 10 through 14. We have size 10 through 14. We're going to have that center square cut diamond, which is going to be a really, really significant size. And then that's set in a beautiful bezeled set channel setting. And then on the left and right side, you flank 3 beautiful channel set diamonds, 7 of them overall. 7 of them overall. It's a channel, mix of a channel and a bar setting. So that bar setting is going to be right there, and the channel setting is to the left and the right. So you get another opportunity to contrast the beautiful two-tones. So you get the 10 karat white and yellow gold. So what I would do is I would take shop 3 and take shop 1. And that could be a beautiful opportunity to have matching wedding sets. That could be a beautiful band or an anniversary set. And you both are getting the 2 tones. I think that's a pretty fantastic idea. And both of those really are beautiful. You're getting all of those stamps on these pieces on the inner band. And look at that soft, beautiful white gold. It's absolutely stunning. I like how soft it is. And again, gentlemen deserve some little sparkle too. Size 10 to 14. Right now, size 11 is going the fastest. We have only 2 left. So we only have 2 left. And right now, we're going to give you free shipping. We're going to give you 30-day money-back guarantee, just in case, sizes might get a little wonky, right? And that's okay. So you guys, some of our VIPers were posting on our Facebook page, our Shop LC Facebook page, that they went to go buy some rings and they couldn't find the right size. So what they did is some people buy a little bit smaller, some buy a little bit larger, and they take it to their local jeweler and they fix it for like less than $50. You're able to get that fit. And because they really wanted it. So again, I recommend, even if it's a tiny bit smaller or a little bit bigger, again, you can find a local jewelers to really adjust those, or resize them, or talk to our personal shoppers and see if you can resize them. But what's great about these is we do offer those half sizes in the men's rings. So shop 3, we do have those half sizes, size 10 through 14. So that's good. We have like 10 and a half, 11 and a half, 12 and a half, because sometimes you're like in that middle range, like shoes. Sometimes you're not always an 8, but you're an 8 and a half. So right now we are going to give you that live 25 code. We're going to give you that opportunity to sparkle from head to toe, even the gentlemen, and we want to make sure that you get the best deal. So right now, shop 3 is going to go down to $1,303 today. $2 today. 5 monthly payments at $261 a month. 5 monthly payments at $261 a month. That is $66. $66 a week, you guys. That is fantastic. Right there, you guys. That is our men's ring today. And again, I think we have one more in the second half of our show. So stick around for that, you guys. Again, we have our live stream shows happening multiple times a day. You want to like and follow and share with your friends. Shop LC if you're new and you haven't shared with your friends so far. Share with your friends and family. All right, guys, we're going to look at our first set of stud earrings today. We are going to have 4 pairs of stud earrings in our collection today throughout our show. So you want to stick around depending on what colors, settings, designs you're looking for. The carats, that also has a big factor into what people are looking for. And we are going to have some red diamonds coming down the line. We are going to have a cross pendant. We are also going to have some really beautiful Art Deco inspired pieces, as well as nature and some cluster rings. So lots of beautiful, beautiful opportunities. So let's look at our first pair of stud earrings. And again, this is one of those timeless pieces that you can't go wrong for Valentine's Day. You can't go wrong for anniversaries or weddings or any classic gift, because this is a gift that literally is so timeless. It's so universal. It's also gender neutral and unisex. So really anyone can wear a bright pair of stud diamond earrings. These are solitaire studs, and these are 4 carats, 2 carats in each. They are a screw post in the back. They are set. It's a round, brilliant cut, 10 karat white gold. What I love about this is literally I can see all the way down from the table, that top part, again, like the table that you sit at for dinner, and then that's going to reflect and bounce that light, and then even the sides, you see all the way down to the point. You see those facets, 57 to 58 facets in each round cut diamond. So you're going to have a lot of bounce back. You're going to have a high refractive index, and it's absolutely, excuse me, absolutely stunning. You guys, I love this one. So let me tell you, I was doing some comparisons. I usually do and see where I land and where we land in compared to others. And this is 4 carats. So we're talking 4 carats, 2 carats in each. And right now, again, I saw these, again, $23,000 in comparison, retail value. I saw some of these almost $50,000. I think it was, and then I saw another one a few weeks ago for $54,000, around the same quality, the same range. You guys, that is wild. And it is certified by Luxuriance. You get that authenticity card. You are going to get all of the beauty that you love. And look how beautiful and classic this is. This is a $23,000 value. And we're going to give you free shipping, free returns. Because again, we want to make sure you are happy. We are delivering joy from step A to step Z, right? We want to be a part of those special moments of love, right? You might be giving this as a beautiful gift. And we want to make sure we are there, a part of it, and that it is a seamless process. So right now, we are running out of these. We are going to only have less than 5. We're going to have less than 5 because again, this is a classic gift that lots of people like to give because it's one of those things that everyone can benefit from a beautiful, beautiful piece like this. And look how classic. So again, I've seen people take these because it's less expensive than buying 2 rings, and they take it and they go to the jeweler and they get a personalized ring for their grandchildren, their children. They make a personalized pendant or pin. Again, you can do whatever you want once you purchase it. But I've had people do that because 2 carats is a lot when it comes to an engagement ring or a promise ring or something to pass down to the kids or grandchildren. So 2 carat, a diamond is absolutely spectacular. And so then you get 2 symmetrical and even quality pieces. So right now we're going to drop this from live 25% off. Again, if you went to a retailer, another one, a big box store, a big jewelry store, it's going to be an arm and a leg, you guys. And we don't want to do that. We want these to be accessible and beautiful. So these are going to be $1,500 today. $1,500 all in, free shipping. We're going to be able to give this to you for 5 monthly payments of $300. 5 monthly payments of $300. That's less than $75 a week. And what's so beautiful is it's set in a very sturdy prong setting, so they're going to be durable. It's the screw post, and I can love that I could just see the diamond all the way from the top to the bottom. All the way from the top to the bottom. It's absolutely amazing. And I really love that it's going to be bold pieces. So we are going to have different variety of stud earrings. So again, if that's too big for you, we understand. We are going to have some red studs. We are going to have some square cut, and we're going to have some smaller round. So again, we have the variety for you. So stick around, make sure that you're a part of the conversation and a part of the lab-grown diamond trend. Because right now, 2025, again, there was people that finally discovered lab-grown diamonds in the sense of like, where have they been their whole lives, right? And Shop LC was already a part of it. Shop LC already knew that this was the way to go. This is the wave of the future. So you want to get again, on the trend. You want to get lab-grown diamonds because, again, so many benefits. It's less expensive than earth mine diamonds. It's eco-friendly. It's sustainable. You're able to, again, use less water. You're able to do less environmental pollution when you're grown in a lab. So many benefits, so many opportunities to really get back to Mother Nature. And also, every item you purchase today, we're going to be sponsoring that meal for a young child in need. So shop for you guys. Again, a great opportunity. We are going to have a variety of 3 other stud earrings. So stick around, or if you're watching this later, you can kind of fast forward and get to some of those items if that's specifically what you're looking for today. So we're going to move on to shop 5, which is going to be our first bracelet. We are, I believe, going to have one more bracelet in the latter half of our show. So you can stick around for that as well. So this one I absolutely love. This one, anytime we have a version of this, whether it's the yellow gold or the rose gold or multicolored diamond, I'm excited. But this is going to be your classic cuff bracelet. It is a coiled spring cuff bracelet, 1.25 carats, a spectacular diamond sparkle, 10 karat white gold. And look, it is that spring cuff. It is going to be movable. It is going to be minimalistic, but also captivating at the same time. We have 5 luxuriant lab grown diamonds in here, all round cut. So we have 58 times 5. So 290 facets that are going to reflect that beautiful, beautiful sparkle. And this is 7.25 inches. So I usually wear 6.5, sometimes 7, depending on like the vibe, right? What I'm looking for. So this is going to go gracefully on your lower wrist. On mine, it can sit there, or if I want, I can lift it and have it go all the way up there. So there's lots of great opportunities there. Again, you can also stack and layer it with other cuffs, other bangles, or other tennis bracelets. I have similar pieces at home, and I stack and layer it with tennis bracelets all the time. So this is beautiful, and you're getting 1.25 carats of diamonds, so it's nothing to sneeze at. You guys, this is a lot. This is $7,000 value. This is a beautiful $7,000 value, and we're going to give you 25% off today. It's luxurious, it's modernism, it's simplicity, and you're getting that sparkle around your wrist. Right now, we are going to be running out of these. We only have 10 left. We only have 10 left, so what I love about this is it's what I call my glam and go when it comes to diamonds. It is going to be the really high quality diamonds, E to F, practically flawless, practically colorless, the best of the best that you can get. And what I love about this is literally it takes me less than 5 seconds to get ready. I like that type of glamour. It's functional. It's fashionable, and it's easy to wear. So again, I don't just want, oh, it looks pretty, but it's really hard to wear, or it's uncomfortable to wear. This is comfortable. You're not dealing with the clasp. You're not dealing with, again, I can sweat, and it's going to be movable. It's breathable. Again, perfect for summer here in Texas. Perfect for winter. You could wear it over. I've worn these types of bracelets over a long sleeve shirt. So again, right now it's cold, but you should still be able to wear diamonds. So this is absolutely stunning, and I love that I can just glam and go, wear it, and I don't have to think about it. And if you have dexterity issues, arthritis, carpal tunnel, tendonitis, any of those ailments, or just chronic issues, or you just have trouble putting stuff on your own with those clasps, we are taking care of that glamour for you with a spring cuff bracelet like this. So I absolutely love this one, all set in beautiful prong setting. And right now, 1.25 carats of spectacular glamour. We're going to give you that 25% off today. So right now, we are going to drop this to $1,084. $1,084. That is going to be 5 monthly payments of $217. 5 monthly payments of $217. So that's $55. $54 a week, $217 a month with that budget pay. And if you guys are new to Shop LC, budget pay is our proprietary 100% interest-free payment system. And all you do is it's not going to be a credit card. You just apply, you agree to the terms, and it just breaks up that larger payment into individual bites, into like individual payments per month. I call it like a pie, right? It's a pie. So it breaks it up into individual bites and slices. So I like it. Again, a lot of our VIPers love it because it gives you access to jewelry pieces that you might not have had access to. So again, again, putting $1,000 down is a lot. We understand that. So a lot of our VIPers say, hey, Budget Pay helps us. Budget Pay gave me the ability to get my first diamond piece ever, my first lab-grown diamond piece, my first pearl necklace, right? My first pearl bracelet. Again, I did a pearl show earlier. Again, these are pieces that are going to be investment worthy. These are pieces that are going to be passed down. So we want to invest in high quality diamonds, especially lab-grown diamonds. So right now, again, it is a beautiful opportunity to have that Budget Pay and give you the economic option to give you something that fits within your budget. That's why we have lots of budget-friendly options here. So we're going to move on to shop 6. And whatever you're looking for, we got something. We have rings, we have stud earrings, we have pendants, we had a bracelet, and we're going to have one more bracelet in the latter half of the show. So whatever you're looking for, we got you covered. All right, guys. So we're going to look at, now I'm looking at shop 6. This one I'm wearing, and this is a cluster diamond ring. I love clusters because from far away, they look like lots of diamonds. It looks like one big giant diamond. This is the power of really high quality diamonds, no matter what size, clustered together creates that spectacular display. And this is what we're going to show you right now. Look at this beauty right here. We have a luxuriant lab-grown diamond ring. G2H SI color grade clarity, 1 carat of diamonds. So from here, from far away, it looks like one giant 5 carat, 6 carat, 10 carat, a million carat diamond ring, right? But it's only 1 carat and it's 110 diamonds. I love a good cluster ring, you guys. 110 diamonds. They're all around 1.1 to 1.8 millimeters. So there are small, but they're high quality G2H. And that is high quality. You're getting high sparkle, high refractive index, and it's set in a beautiful, beautiful tapered band. You even have a split shank of encrusted diamonds on the shoulder of the band. And with this being identical to Earthmine diamonds, this is also on the Mohs scale of hardness at a 10. Earthmine diamonds are at a level of 10. So literally identical. So it's durable, it's long lasting, and it is going to be one of the hardest gemstones on the planet Earth. This is stunning. And right now you would get 3 halos. You get 3 halos and you get a cluster of diamonds in the center. And this is what's going to really make it look like one giant diamond because it has that mound round shape. It is stunning. So I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorites because it's like a galaxy of diamonds. It is the stars in the sky. It is stunning. Could be an engagement ring. It could be a wedding ring. It could be a beautiful, beautiful I love you because Valentine's Day gift. And I'm so excited. We have size 5 through 10. We have size 5 through 10. We are running out. So it is a low stock alert, friends. It is a low stock alert. So do not wait on this because let me tell you, this is the lowest price I have seen for this ring. The lowest price I've ever seen. And let me tell you, since we're running out, it is a double diamond deal. I'm so excited when that happens. It is a double diamond deal. Do you know what that means? We're not just giving you the opportunity to take this home with that live 25 code. We're going to drop it twice. We're going to drop it one more time before we apply that live 25 code. So right now, it's $1,065. We're dropping that to $810 today. $810 today. That is just the starting point. And then we're going to drop it to one more time with that live 25 code. That is the impact. We're going to give you a diamond deal. Again, size 5 through 10. We have some half sizes in there if you need them. Size 7, running out fast. Size 6, running out fast. Size 5, 10, running out fast. Do not let this opportunity go. This is the lowest price I've seen it. We are going to drop it to $608 today. $608. 5 monthly payments of $122. That's 5 monthly payments of $122. That's $30 a week, friends. $30 a week for 110 lab-grown diamonds. G2H quality, the upper echelon of quality. It is stunning, you guys. Absolutely stunning. So, I love that one, you guys. Do not pass that go. Don't pass go. You guys, you want to go get it. You want to go get it. So we're going to move on to red diamonds. And red diamonds, perfect for Valentine's Day. Lots of people got these for Christmas because it's that perfect Christmas color. But also red could be your favorite color. Again, January babies have garnet as their birthstone. And when it comes to garnet, again, a lot of people look for rubies. They look for other red gemstones. So red diamonds are actually a great alternative if you have a January baby that's like, oh, I don't like my birthstone. Get them some red diamonds. Get them some red diamonds instead. And these are absolutely, again, stunning. So we're going to look at two, and we're going to double check. This might even be a bundle. We're going to double check. This is going to be a bundle, you guys. I'm so excited. So this is going to be our Rosetta line. So Rosetta, like a flower, a rose. This is beautiful. We're going to look at the ring first, and then we will look at the matching earrings. So right now, this is going to be a Rosetta solitaire ring in 10 karat white gold, 1.5 carats. 1.5 carats, a spectacular shine. So when we look at a red diamond, you might be like, oh, how is that a lab grown diamond? Like what? So it's again, the same process. You have to make sure that the actual mineral and the composition and things like that, all of that is the same when it comes to Mother Nature into a lab. So you still need to make sure all of those things are there to line things up to perfectly create a red lab-grown diamond. And when it comes to red, it's not going to be your kind of ruby red. It's not going to be like your red tourmaline. It's going to be a little bit more golden red. So it has a lot of copper and manganese in it. So that's where those colors are coming from. So it might not be your traditional red, but it is a red diamond. We are offering size 6 through 12 today. And it is this beautiful traditional, just round cut, brilliant diamond, 58 facets of that sparkly color. But I love it has a lot of fire in it. And it's set in that 10 karat white gold. So you get that sleek band. It is great to have an extra eternity band as well, or a beautiful red band of diamonds as well, because it's high enough that you can really set it and really give a layered, stacked look, just like shop one. Just like shop one, that's high enough where you can easily stack and layer it with some other pieces. So look how beautiful this is. So we are going to have a matching set of earrings here shortly, but look at this. You are going to get an authenticity card from Luxuriant Lab Grown Diamonds. Right now, you're going to get free shipping, free returns. And let's see, we have 1.5 carats. I'm double checking everything. Again, that's what's so great is you can double check the grams, double check the gold weight is 2.56 grams. And right now we're going to do a precious metal show a little bit later. And I was looking, it's like around $5,200 per ounce for gold. So that's good. Again, 28 grams around there is about 1 ounce of gold. So something to think about. You need a lot of the rings to get that moolah. But right now, we're going to offer this for an incredible opportunity. This is normally $12,000. This is normally $12,000. And then if we want to add the earrings, that's even more. But we're Shop LC. We're different. We're going to give you the best value out there. So right now, we're going to drop this. So it is that incredible price already. So it's $19.99. And that is going to be all the way down to $14.99. So it's $1,499. And then we're going to divide that into 5 monthly payments of $299.99. So look at that beauty right there. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. It really is. Again, diamonds are everyone's best friend, right? Diamonds are one of those classic gemstones that you can't really go wrong. If anyone gets a diamond in a beautiful box all lit up and gorgeous with a ribbon, again, smiles and joy all around. So Shop 7, again, we're dropping that to $75 a week. And look at that beauty. It is a classic, again, a classic fiery red lab-grown diamond. It has such passion and fire like a ruby. It's absolutely gorgeous. So again, it does have a little bit more yellow golden hues because it has that copper and manganese in it. But again, that's a natural phenomenon that happens. And right now we're making it happen in a lab. So it's 50 to 70% less expensive. And red diamonds in nature are rare. So red diamonds in a lab are rare and hard to make. So we're making sure that you're getting everything at the best value, at the best quality. All right, guys, we're going to move on to shop 8. We are going to move on to shop 8. We have a lot to showcase today and we are doing an 8 p.m. show. So I want to make sure that we get to everything. And then if you have any questions, remember I'm live right now, but you can call our personal shoppers after the fact, 888-835-2237. Give them a call, ask them some questions and see how you can pair some of these things together. So this Rosetta setting, just to give you an idea, is going to literally, be sculpted and look like a flower, a rose. It is going to have extra prong settings. So this has 6 prong settings in the ring, and then the stud earrings are going to have 6 in each as well. So look at those matching earrings right here. This is red diamonds, SI. Again, those radiation treatment brings out and stabilizes that red color. This is 2 carats overall. So we have 1 carat and 1 carat in each stud. And look how cute it would look with pink. Look how cute it brings out. It really matches like really pinks and reds and golden colors. Again, it could go with so many things. And right now, this is a $7,000 value. And we are giving you the Shop LC price. So right now, again, oh my goodness, we are running out of sizes of the ring. It's a low stock alert. We're running out of sizes, not sizes, but quantities of the earrings. We have less than 15 right now. We have less than 15. So we definitely want to make sure that you get that bundle of Shop 7 and Shop 8. So let's look at this price right here. Again, it literally looks like a floral stud on your ear. It is going to be a screw post in the back in that 10 karat white gold. And I absolutely love this on anyone. It's going to give you that pop of color, that golden hue, that red hue that we love. And you will love when you have it on. So you're going to save over $300 today. We're dropping it to $1,001. $1,001. That is going to be, that's going to be about $200 with that budget pay. About $200 with that budget pay and about $50 a week. So that is totally doable. Totally doable, totally reasonable. And you guys, we have budget pay to make it happen. And we have bundles to make this happen. This would be a perfect set for Valentine's Day. Maybe you give the ring on Valentine's Day and maybe the earrings for a birthday or for an anniversary. You guys, that is what is so spectacular about our bundles. Is you buy more, you save more, you get extra percentages off. And this is what we're going to do for you today. We're going to take Shop 7, the beautiful ring, and we're going to take Shop 8. And again, I have limited opportunities to bundle today. I have very limited opportunities, less than 10. I can bundle less than 10 times. So we want to make sure that you take advantage of that deal because we don't want it to go. Once 48 hours pass or we sell out, that deal is done. So once the 48 hours are up from the start of this broadcast, and then also if we sell out, then we're not obviously able to bundle. So right now, we are going to take Shop 7 and Shop 8. This is going to be, let's calculate this, $12,000 plus 7. We're looking at almost a $20,000 value. Again, a rare red lab-grown diamond. We have beautiful quality. And right now, normally a $20,000 value. We're dropping this. Again, giving you 10%, giving you 25%, 35% total. And you have a huge savings in front of you. You have a huge savings in front of you. This will be your grand bundle price of $2,252. So instead of $20,000, we're talking $2,252. It is $451 a month. $451 a month. That's $112 a week. That is amazing, you guys. And you're getting, again, all the luxury and diamond authenticity card. It's going to break the clarity down, the color. You literally are going to be able to match everything, the gem weight, the gemstones, the how heavy the earrings are, literally everything. It is written down right here on the back of this card. So for both of those, that is our red Valentine's Day special, our lab grown diamond special. So red diamonds, you can't go wrong, you guys. Diamonds are everyone's best friend, but especially when they're red and fun. All right, friends, we're going to continue on because we have about an hour left, a little bit less than an hour. So I want to make sure that you know how to shop with us. Use those shop numbers, put them in the chat if you're live for the next hour. If you want to rewatch this, go to the live stream tab on the website. Go to the live stream tab on the lower right-hand side of our app. You're going to see that big recording button that you might be familiar with. Click on that. You're going to see all of our past shows. Make sure you watch those ones that are in the last 48 hours. We had a Pearl show earlier. We had a lifestyle show earlier. We're going to have, again, amazing shows tonight, and you can rewatch it. You can rewatch those again when maybe you're a night owl, you can't sleep. Do some shopping. Maybe you want to share with friends. Maybe you want to share Shop House these platforms with friends. And this is a great way for you guys to shop together. Maybe you always want to shop at 10 a.m. On a day. You guys, we are here in studio every single day. So we want to be a part of the journey. We want to be a part of those big moments of your life. So whatever we can do to help you, we have our personal shoppers on standby to make sure you're all taken care of. 888-835-2237. And all of the SKU numbers for all the items we're showcasing today, boom, are going to be right below. So there's no way that you'll miss out on those deals. Again, if you wait too long past those 48 hours, all those prices, that code will not work. So we want to make sure that you use that code in the next 48 hours. All right, guys, we're going to look at 9. We're going to look at shop 9. And this is a beauty. This is one of my favorites because we're going to show you how to accessorize with this one as well. So I'm going to show it solo, and then I'm going to give you options that we already previously looked at to add some extra glitz and glamour to your lab-grown diamond collection. We are going to look at this incredible multi-stone ring. We have lab-grown diamonds, GVS color grade and clarity, 2.5 carats. This is timeless beauty, you guys. 14 karat white gold, 4.10 grams. It is this beautiful tapered band, and we have 5 beautiful oval cut lab grown diamonds set in a beautiful prong setting, and look how gorgeous this is. We're going to have size 4 all the way through 9, and there's some half sizes in there, but this is going to transform your bridal set. This is going to be a great transformative piece just to have on solo. This is 2.5 carats lab grown luxury, and they're all held in a beautiful prong setting. Honestly, you can stack and layer this with some other smaller eternity bands. You can stack and layer it with some larger lab grown diamond pieces if it's a higher setting. So we have 5 beautiful diamonds, 2.5 carats. They're all 6 by 4 millimeters. And look how stunning this is. It goes all the way pretty much in the center of my finger, and the table of those diamonds are absolutely spectacular. So right now, you guys, we again have size 5 through 9. We have size 4 through 9. Again, some half sizes in there, some half sizes in there. We are gonna, again, size 6 is running fast. So right now, this is size 6 that I have right now. We only have 2 left. We only have 2 left, and we only have it in 14 karat white gold. The 14 karat yellow gold already sold out. So this is a classic anniversary band, a wedding anniversary band, maybe a promise ring. It could also be an engagement ring. You guys, you don't have to do the traditional route with engagement rings. It could be a Valentine's Day gift, a birthday gift. Maybe you have 5 grandchildren and you want to commemorate, or you have 5 children and you want to commemorate each and every one of them. You can have this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beautiful oval cut stones, and it is 2.5 carats of spectacular shine, and it's about 1 inch from corner to corner. And right now we are going to give you free shipping. We're going to give you free returns, 30-day money back guarantee. And right now we are running out of this. This is a low stock lure, and I know why, because it is great paired together. It's great solo. And right now we're going to give you an incredible deal today. We're dropping it from $1,840 to $1,380. We're dropping it to $1,380. That is going to be 5 monthly payments. 5 monthly payments of $276. That is going to be $69 a week. So I want to show you guys before we move on, look how beautiful this would be paired with Shop 7. Look at this, Shop 7 and Shop 9. Oh my goodness. So what you need is a really high diamond setting. So that's what you need. And we have those selections here with us today. Look at this. This is the one I wanted to try it with, and this is absolutely stunning. This is Shop 1 and Shop 9. You got your bridal set right here. You got your wedding set. Again, add it as an anniversary band. Shop 9 and Shop 1, friends. That is extraordinary. I love it, you guys. So I wanted to give you that inspiration because you can do anything You can do anything when you find that perfect piece that rises above that lab grown diamond that has that high setting. You can absolutely get really, really fun with it. So this is, again, great solo, great by itself, less than $276. $276 a month. That's fantastic. For 5 diamonds, 2.5 carats of diamonds, absolutely spectacular quality, G gemstone color, VS average clarity, very slight inclusions. Again, you're not gonna be able to see it with just the naked eye. So right now, shop 9. You gotta go run. We are running out of those. All right, we're gonna move on to shop 10. This is gonna be our other pair of stud earrings. That's our third pair. We're gonna have one more pair of stud earrings and one hoop earring option today in our collection of lab grown diamonds. So let's move on to shop 10. We're going to move on to shop 10. And shop 10, we're going to go down in carat. And we're going to have a very different setting, though. We're going to have a square solitaire cut. So this is going to be luxuriant lab-grown diamond E through F VS clarity and color grade, 2 carats, solitaire stud earrings in 14 karat yellow gold. We went up in gold. We went up in the yellow gold. It is going to be that post stud design in the back. And they're just a little bit more slender, a little bit more small. But that's okay, you guys. That could be the style you're looking for. 1 carat and 1 carat. Again, going big might not be for everyone, right? Again, you might just be looking for that perfect pair of 2 carat solitaire studs. This is a classic evergreen design, universal. Again, I see so many guys. I'm into sports and wrestling. I see lots of MMA fighters at their press conferences or their big debuts. They're going to have some cute little stud earrings. They're going to have a little glamour because, again, you got to look the part. You got to show that glamour. You got to show that level of sophistication and status and wealth. So a lot of the sports athletes, they're going to be showcasing their diamonds. So this is a great option, a great, beautiful option right here. So I love this one. So right now, you guys, this is going to be 1 carat and 1 carat in each stud. 14 karat yellow gold, so 55% pure gold. And right now, we're going to drop this. We're going to give you almost $300 off today. And it's going to be $803 today. $803 today. That is all in. That is all in. $161 a month and about $40 a week. And can we look at some verified buyers on this real quick? This is normally a $77,000 value. A $77,000 value. Again, you're getting an eco-friendly, sustainable choice. You're getting that luxury. You're getting that sparkle. And again, a round cut diamond and a square cut diamond, those facets are going to be around the same amount, but the luster is slightly different because those angles are different. It doesn't make it not as high value, it just makes it different, but it's still going to be brilliant. Look at that sparkle. Sandra says earrings are wonderful and sparkle, definitely a good choice. Karen says beautiful. Again, this is your opportunity to get something that is classic. Everyone's going to love something like this. Everyone will look. It's again a universal trend in design when it comes to diamonds. So right now we are running out. We have less than 5 available. And it's only $160 a month. $160 a month. So I love it. All right, guys, we're going to move on. Again, that's our third pair of stud earrings. We are going to have one more coming down the line and then hoop earrings. So stick around, you guys. If you're looking for pairs of earrings, you still want to make sure that you hang out with me and use that Live25 code. You are going to get that 25% off today, and you have 48 hours to use it. Again, if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. We don't want that. We want to make sure that you get the best deals out there. You get the best gifts. You can show your love with diamonds this season for Valentine's Day and beyond, you guys. Again, Valentine's Day is a really big holiday for many of us, but also every day you can show your love. I don't want you to think that you have one day, but you have literally 365 days out of the year to show your love. So why not do it on a day that's not Valentine's Day? I'm just kidding. Do it on every day. Do it on every day of the year. All right, we are going to move on to shop 11. And shop 11 is going to be one of our Art Deco inspired pieces. This is a frame glow ring, and I absolutely love this design because it has everything that I love about the versatility of lab grown diamonds. And it also is such a large sparkle. It's also IGI certified. So IGI is the International Gemological Institute. That is a independent, most reputable organization in Europe that certifies diamonds and gemstones from all over the world. And they classify lab-grown diamonds as real diamonds. They're just not earth-mined diamonds. And they'll let you know what grade they are. They'll let you know what clarity. And you will get a gemological card, a jewelry ID report to go with this purchase. So this is, you get the luxuriant, the actual diamond authenticity card to make sure that you understand an assurance of the brilliance, purity, and ethical craftsmanship of those diamonds. And in addition, you get the IGI jewelry ID report. So that is great for insurance purposes, estate sales, again, for appraisals. It's good to have that just in case. So this beauty right here is what we're talking about. A 950 platinum, 2.5 carats of sparkle. 2.5 carats of sparkle. To show you guys this shows you the difference in versatility of lab-grown diamonds. This is 2.5 carats. This was shop 9. This is shop 9. Cut very different. Again, just very simple. 5 oval cut diamonds. And look at this one. This is also 2.5 carats. So depending on the style you're looking for, whether you want to be a showstopper or whether you want it to be a band style, we got everything for you, even in the same amount of carats. This is going to include 10 carats. I mean, not 10 carats, 10 individual diamonds, 0.41 carats around. So we have this beautiful baguette cut in the center. Not baguette cut. Rectangle. Rectangle in the center, and then you have those round diamonds all the way around in that halo in a channel prong, bless you, in a channel prong setting. And then you have the baguette on the left and right side. It's a tapered baguette, so they get a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, making sure the beautiful shoulder gets that extra sparkle, and you get those soft channel edges, the softness of that 950 platinum, meaning the luster, not the actual softness, because it actually is one of the hardest metals out there. It is strong, more durable than gold. It is long lasting. It doesn't need any extra plating because it is that strong. It is that lustrous. So again, you don't need, it's the softness of the hue. That silver is shiny. Platinum is very, very shiny. It does have a tapered band right here, and it's absolutely extraordinary. Shop 11 right now. We have sizes. What sizes do we have real quick? We have sizes 5 all the way through 11. We have size 5 through 11. We are running out. Size 9 is low. Size 6 is low. And size 8 is very, very low. So do not wait to get this vintage charm. The warmth of it. Look at every facet of that diamond in the center. It is extraordinary, you guys, and it is tapered to my hand, so it's not super high. You're not going to hit your hand over it. It's not as high as like a shop 1. So look at the difference, you guys. Look at the difference. It is not as high as shop 1 where it's just floating there in that prong setting, but it's set in a very, very low, sturdy, beautiful, vintage designed ring with that touch of modernism, the sleekness of modernism and contemporary design. So right now, you guys, this is IGI certified. You get the jewelry ID report. You get the authenticity guarantee card. You get free shipping. You get 30-day returns, and you're going to get that budget pay. And right now, we're going to drop this from $3,335 to $2,502. So you're saving almost over $800. This is normally a $12,000 value. So again, if you're looking for engagement rings and wedding rings, you do not need to break the bank. You don't need to put 3 to 6 months worth of income, monthly income, and purchase it all at once. We have budget pay for a reason. We have the best low prices for a reason here at Shop LC. We're going to give this to you for 5 monthly payments of $500. 5 monthly payments of $500. That is going to be $125 a week. And it's absolutely stunning, you guys. I love this one. I absolutely love this one. Again, if you want that beautiful modern vintage charm, this is it. Look at that beautiful undercarriage as well. So right now, you guys, that is shop 11. We're running out of those again. Various sizes 5 through 11. You do not want to let that opportunity pass you by. If you're looking for those engagement rings, literally $500 a month, is really, really a great value, less than $125 a week. You can, again, mix and match your budget there. So we are going to move on to shop 12. Remember, use those live 25 codes. Get that 25% off. Do not, 48 hours to use it. Do not let it pass you by, because once it's gone, it's gone. We don't want to let that pass you by. So we are going to move on to shop 12. And we're getting to the latter half of our show. The second half of our show, we're going to look at a lot of beautiful necklaces. We are also going to look at a few more bracelets and stud earrings and hoop earrings. So we got a lot of variety, and we're going to look at this beautiful piece that I have on my neckline, which is absolutely perfect for the loves of your lives. Again, perfect Valentine's Day gift, because we have a cascade of heart diamonds. So that's coming up. You do not want to miss that. And we're going to look at shop 12 now. So shop 12, we are running out of these. These are less than 10 available in our inventory.
Yeah, looks like they want to call personal shopper because there's some issues with that on the website.
Okay, so you guys, you are going to want to call your personal shopper right now. And this is going to be that, I'll just mention it real quick and then we'll go to shop 13. This is 14 karat yellow gold luxuriant lab grown diamond G through H SI solitaire pendant, and it's not going to be with the chain. It is just going to be that pendant. So again, call our personal shoppers. Call our personal shoppers right now, or again later if you're shopping with us, 888-835-2237. And again, they'll take care of you. Let them know what you're looking for. Let them know which option you would like, and that is going to be shop 12 is going to be that number that you're looking for. And again, we're going to move on to shop 13. And do you want to move on to shop 13?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And then I think this might be a bundle with the ring that we just did. So that's good for us. Again, we'll double check. All right, guys, we're going to move on to shop 13. And this is going to be that beautiful matching. Again, we have this beautiful ring, shop 11. Beautiful shop 11. Now we're going to have a matching pendant to go with it. And that's perfect. Also, buying for Valentine's Day, you can get a ring, give it for Valentine's Day, and keep the pendant for birthdays, anniversaries, or things like that. So look at this beautiful matching pendant. This is 950 platinum, 2.25 carats. It is going to have a beautiful chain that comes with it, that 20-inch chain, E through F VS color grade clarity diamonds. 5 beautiful baguette cut diamonds in that upper hook. We have a halo of round cut diamonds. 26. So 26 plus 5, and then that one beautiful 132 individual diamonds. Look how stunning that is. Again, that mix of that hexagonal, beautiful polished channel setting, that pave setting, keeping it perfectly uniform. We're looking at lots of beautiful sparkle set in that prong setting. It's going to lay gracefully on your neckline. Even the beautiful backside of that undercarriage is perfect. 2.25 carats, 950 platinum. And right now, platinum is expensive, $2,600 an ounce. And so again, it is durable, long lasting. It is an investment worthy piece. Anytime you can get some beautiful platinum. So right now we're going to be in a low stock alert for this. We have less than 5, which they might not be able to bundle. But again, we'll double check this. Can we bundle these? Okay, we can. Okay, so there are enough to bundle. So that is really fantastic for all of you guys, because this is going to be one of the biggest bundles that we have here. This is going to be one of the biggest bundles that we have here. So it is, okay, again, both are going to be around that same price, that initial price, but let's bundle these. Shop 11 and shop 13. Look how beautiful. Again, you can buy together now and gift separately later. You can give a pendant to someone for Valentine's Day. You can give the ring a little bit later for a birthday or an anniversary. Or if it's for you, you guys, that's a fantastic gift for yourself. Again, Good choice. So right now we have less than 5 of the pendants. So that means I'm only able to do about 5 bundles. So 5 lucky Shop LCers are going to be able to bundle these. This is a $24,000 value. This is a $24,000 value, Shop 11 and Shop 13, and you were able to bring this home for $4,374. $4,374 today. That is 5 monthly payments of $875. 5 monthly payments of $875. That's less than $218 a week. $218 a week, and you are getting a spectacular set. Look at that. I got to look at it. The light can barely keep up. The camera can barely keep up because that brilliance is extraordinary. The light reflection, the high refractive index, the sustainable beauty is right there in front of us. And you do not want to let that opportunity pass you by. Don't let that opportunity pass you by. Again, Shop 11, Shop 12. We have limited quantities of the ring, and we have limited quantities of the pendant. And that is one of our biggest bundles of our diamond show. So don't let that pass you by, guys. All right. We're going to move to a new piece that we have not shown on our lab grown diamond show before. Again, at least not during my shows. This is the first time. So we're going to look at a beautiful pendant. So we do our love and faith jewel showcased all of the beautiful cross pendants and crucifixes and all these beautiful pieces that we have, and hearts and things like that, because we're again, that's a very specific show. We don't do that very often, and I didn't even see this in that show. So I don't know if we just got this in. I'm going to double check, but this is extraordinary, you guys. If you love cross pendants, this is going to be a one of a kind piece. I've never even seen people wear something like this. So I'm so excited to show this off right now. And look at this beauty. This is a luxuriant lab grown diamond, G color grade, SI color grade diamonds. 4.36 carats of spectacular eco-friendly, sustainable luxury. It is a cross pendant, sterling silver, and this is 16 to 18 inches in length. So what I like is it's that choker length. It is that beautiful princess length. And look how stunning. Oh my goodness. This is a $4,000 value, and you will not believe the price we're going to offer it to you here at Shop LC. So this is a mosaic style. We have each diamond round cut diamonds set in a beautiful prong pave setting. And they're so close together, you're getting that extra. It literally looks like one giant diamond. We have 46 round lab grown diamonds, 4.36 carats. All that G color, that SI clarity. This is stunning. You guys, and let's see how big it is. It is over around 1.5 inches. So we're putting the SKU number in the comments. You can also use the Shop 14 number and make sure that you look at this. But this is a must-have. If you are a person of faith, if you want to wear something that's going to stand out at church or special events, this is stunning. So this is normally a $4,000 value, and we're going to give you the Shop LC deal. So we have 46 individual diamonds, and they're all set in this alternating kind of beautiful prong pave setting. It has that uniformity. And then look at the back real quick. I know a lot of people want to see what that back looks like. So that sterling silver is absolutely super lustrous and shiny. And you can see even that's the prong setting in the back, and it does have this little extra hoop to make sure that it elevates above your neckline. So it's really going to be elevated on your neckline. It's 4.36 carats of spectacular sparkle, and it is 16 to 18 inches. So it does have some extra little hoops right there to connect that lobster clasp. So you can wear it a little bit longer or a little bit higher. So if you're wearing a little bit more conservative dress or blouse, you are going to be okay. You're going to be able to see that. So right now we are going to be running out of these. We have less than 10. So this is a very beautiful, popular evergreen piece. Again, lots of people wear this all year round. You don't necessarily need to wait for special occasions. So right now we are going to be offering this for an incredible price, $803 today. $803 today. That is 5 monthly payments of $161. 5 monthly payments of $161. That's $40 a week. And DJ, can we look at some verified buyers that have purchased this in the past? Again, I love our verified buyers. They write in, they call in, they email, they let us know what they love. Again, Georgia says, absolutely love my cross necklace. It's beautiful. The cross is very shiny and comfortable. You guys, I love things that shine. I love things that are comfortable. And I love things that are going to really, really stand out. So this has everything. So again, verified buyers, they love it. We got 5-star reviews all around. We're offering this for $160 a month, friends. $160 a month, less than $40 a week. And that's fantastic. So this is, again, one of the pieces I've not seen in our Love and Faith collection here at Shop LC. So I'm excited that we're bringing this back. We're bringing, again, limited quantity. Shop 10. We have 10 quantity. Shop 14. Shop 14, we only have 10 left. All right, guys, we're going to move on to Shop 15. See, lots of numbers, you guys. You got to keep them straight. So again, we have our personal shoppers on standby if you want to bundle anything that you have questions about. If you need help with the website, the app, or if you just want to order over the phone, we'll make sure you're taken care of. 888-835-2237. And again, remember, follow Shop LC on all of our platforms. You can follow me on all platforms at Emily Mae Heller. That's MaeHeller. And again, follow my journey. Again, we have GemFest happening February 20th. You want to RSVP for that. And that's just a great way to hang out with us, meet us, get some extra deals in person instead of online, and just start the new year right. So I love, again, having a little bit of luxury when it comes to lab-grown diamonds because we're making that eco-friendly choice. We're also, any purchase you make today, we're going to be sponsoring that meal for a child in need, and we're able to give beautiful pieces for Valentine's Day, for just because, for birthdays, anniversaries, reunions, promotions, big new chapters. Again, I had people purchasing for vacations a little bit earlier. So again, they have some cruises and some fun vacations happening later down the year. And they're like, oh, I'm shopping now. So again, whatever the occasion may be, Shop LC wants to be there, and I want to be there for it. So again, I'm still waiting for all my anniversary and proposal stories from the holidays. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for those stories and those pictures. So right now, we are going to move on to Shop 15, which, speaking of Valentine's Day, are we doing the ring first? Or do you want to do the necklace?
Forgot that one. We'll do this ring, then we'll go back.
Okay. All right, just let me reorder. Okay. All right, Shop 15, we're going to look at a men's ring. So speaking of Valentine's Day, you know, gentlemen deserve all the diamonds too. So we're going to look at this signet kind of this is like a championship ring. This is lab-grown diamonds, 1/2 carat men's solar crest ring, 14 karat yellow gold over sterling silver. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 diamonds. We got 7 diamonds clustered in the center in a prong kind of setting here. And it is really, really stunning. Look at this. So this definitely looks like I got my Super Bowl. Again, the Super Bowl is next weekend. Are you ready? Are your teams in the Super Bowl? Let me know. But look at this. You can celebrate early. We got 7 beautiful diamonds, almost 1/2 carat. And this is going to be, again, those high-grade gemstone color diamonds of G. And look at this. It's polished. It does have kind of that step cut texture and design on the shoulder of the band. It's giving that tapered band look. And right now we have size 9, 10, 12, 13. So 9, 10, 12, 13. So we might not have 11. We might not have 14. Call a personal shopper. Sometimes they're able to find more. So right now we are running out. Size 10 we have the most of, and size 13 we have the least of. So you can get this, again, beginning of February if you order today. And right now, we have over 55-star reviews on this. Over 55-star reviews. And let me tell you, this is fabulous. We have lots of amazing sizes, and this is so vibrant. It has lots of warmth with that gold. It has lots of sparkle. And this is going to be $102 today. It has such a powerful presence. It has that polished golden shine. And it has a little bit of that sparkle. 5 monthly payments of $20. That's it. $20. That's $5 a week, you guys. $5 a week. I love this, you guys. I love the texture. It's not just a plain band. It adds to that extra sparkle and luxuriousness. It's masterfully crafted, and it is built to shine every single day. It has that sterling silver underneath, that 925 hypoallergenic metal, and those diamonds are around 2.6 millimeters in diameter, so you're getting a lot of beautiful sparkle. Woo! All right, gentlemen deserve diamonds too, you guys. That is a great opportunity. And if you're looking for men's rings, I'll tell you, shop 3 and shop 15. Shop 3 and shop 15. There you go. Those are our men's rings. All right, guys, let's move on to shop. Are we gonna do the? We're gonna do the necklace. Okay. So this we can't skip. We can't skip because Valentine's Day is coming. Shop 16, you guys. This is beautiful. We got to put that picture up. It is one of my favorites, you guys. We are running out of these because I can tell people bought this for the holidays. This is going to be a cluster heart necklace in sterling silver. It is a graduated heart design. 63 round lab-grown diamonds. This is going to be 16 to 18 inches. So you can get that matinee length, that princess design. You get it all. It could even be a choker. Look how high and low it can go. 1.75 carats. It is 1.9 millimeters. We are having from the top of this little heart all the way to that large heart, it's about 1 inch. So from the top of that heart to here, it's 1 inch. And look how stunning this is. We have this little cascade of hearts. Look how beautiful this is. So you have this 3 larger hearts here, and then it graduates and gets smaller, graduates and gets smaller. So you have individual diamonds that are clustered in these heart pendants. They're all interconnected with the chain, and they're stationed on there, so they're not moving, you guys. Again, I can move the whole chain and they're not going anywhere. So you're getting this cascade, this cluster of hearts. This is a perfect way to steal someone's heart. Again, lock in the love. You got to lock in the love, lock in the deals right now. We have 11 5-star reviews. This is 63 individual diamonds. This I have not seen in our collection before. This is absolutely stunning, and I can see why people are buying this right now. Valentine's Day is just a couple weeks away. So right now we are running out of this, and this is going to be an incredible deal for you today. We're going to drop this to $282. $282. You're getting those enchanted, magical hearts cascading around your neckline. Look how graceful. Perfect for every day. Perfect for special occasions. $57 a month. $57 a month. Less than $15 a week. Less than $15 a week. And we have 5-star reviews galore, you guys. This is beautiful. Can we look at some of those verified buyers real quick? You guys, this is stunning. I love that sparkle. And again, you're capturing the hearts of your loved ones when you give them something like this. Gina says, I love the necklace. It's just right. Not too big and not too small. It's perfect. Deanna says, hearts of love. Just the right size hearts. Love the sparkle. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. Our verified buyers love it. You will love it. Your friends will love it. Your family will love it. 1.75 carats of those cascade of cluster hearts. Right now, we have less than 5. You want to make sure you get them today. Do not let that opportunity pass you by. $57 a month. $57 a month, less than $15 a week. And you, beautiful, can get this beautiful, beautiful necklace. Shop 16, you guys. And we're going to move on. We do have a few more items to go. And I love them all, you guys. I love them all. I'm going to show you how to match them, how to pair them. And this next ring would go perfect with shop 16. So we are going to move on to shop 17. And if you love cluster rings, this is the vibe we're going to get into. So our previous cluster ring was shop 6. So this was shop 6, a little bit more traditional with that round halo and those clusters, the split shank with, encrusted diamonds on the left and right side. So this was shop 6. A classic look. I love it. It's great for every day. Promise ring. Beautiful. Beautiful piece. And this is going to be a dome ring. This is going to be one of those big cocktail rings that you see at big parties, big grand parties. This is going to be one of those show-stopping pieces. So this is, again, another cluster ring, 5.55 carats. And they are 109 round lab-grown diamonds, all ranging between 1.9 and 3.1 millimeters. G color. SI1 average clarity. And all of this is, again, the SKU number is below. You can put the shop number in as well. We have size 6 through 10. We have size 6 through 10, and we are running out. We have probably 3 or 4 of each size. So that's pretty slim. And look at this beautiful canopy of sparkle. We have that beautiful sterling silver, sleek band, and we have this cascade, this beautiful tile and kind of honeycomb design with those individual round diamonds. And we have them set all in a prong setting, but we kind of have a border all the way around. And then we have the cluster, the mosaic right there. And look at this. From far away, it looks like one giant diamond. And it is perfectly tapered to my hand. Look at this. It is that dome ring, so it does rise a little bit, but it has that pave setting. So it has that uniformity of sparkle and brilliance. And this is something that is absolutely, I can see on the red carpet. And this would go perfect with this ring. Can you imagine the heart-shaped cascade with this? Shop 16 and shop 17. Again, it's not an official bundle, but again, if you want to capture the beauty of those diamonds, you love the cluster rings, you might as well get all of it, right? And if you want shop 6, you can easily, look at that, put that together. I think all 3 of those go together. So shop 17, we have size 6 through 10 available. And this is usually a $9,000 value. But we're going to give you free shipping. We're going to give you budget pay. And right now, 109 diamonds you're going to be able to bring home for $740 today. $740 today. That's 5 monthly payments of less than $150 and about $37 a week. $37 a week. So I love, look at that. Woo! Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness. I love it. All right, guys. That was shop 17. And we're going to look at our final pair of stud earrings next. Shop 18 is going to be our final pair of stud earrings. And this is going to be one of those that you wear every single day. I have friends that wear diamond stud earrings. They just keep them in. They keep them in and they pair them with like dangled earrings, things like that. But if you want a classic look, that's something that you want something simple and not too big or over the top, this is going to be that perfect size for you. This is going to be round cut stud earrings. G through H SI color grade 1 carat solitaire stud earrings in rhodium over sterling silver. You just get that simple classic look. It's just a little drop of a diamond on your ear. 1 carat, half a carat, and then half a carat. 1 carat total. It's set in rhodium over sterling silver. It is that post stud in the back. And it's just set in a 4-prong setting. Very classic design. 5-star reviews. And again, if you want something that's not super at a high price point, this is a great budget-friendly option to get a beautiful Valentine's Day gift, an anniversary gift. You really can't go wrong with something like this. We have shop 18. We do have a good amount. So you can get one for all your friends, get one for all of your grandkids, all of, again, maybe your sisters, right? For Valentine's Day, your best friends. Right now, this is normally a $1,700 value, but we're going to give you an 85% off retail value today. Normally, it's $250. Normally, it's $250, but we're dropping it to $188. We're dropping it to $188. That's going to be 5 monthly payments of $38. 5 monthly payments of $38, less than $10 a week. And let me tell you, I look pretty much every week to see, okay, what are earrings going for in lab-grown diamond world at other retailers? I'm looking all the time because I want to see like what people are doing. We always have Shop LC has the lowest prices and the best quality. Because again, these normally, again, we have an estimated retail value of $1,700 around there, but I've seen these to go for way more. I've seen them go for way more and not even as high a quality. So definitely look at Shop LC. Tell your friends and family to come here. You can literally rewatch the show. Again, if you don't have time to rewatch the whole thing, go on the live stream tab on the website, on the mobile app, and shop with us. And you can fast forward. You guys don't have to listen to the whole spiel. You can just get to the shopping. That's okay too. I get it. We're all in a hurry. We have lead busy lives. So that's why you get to watch the replay. You got 48 hours to do that. Use that Live25 code, and you are going to get the best deals here at Shop LC, you guys. So Shop 18, that is our final stud earring. So if you guys are looking for earrings, we had Shop 4. Again, I'm going to recap real quick. Shop 4. Boop, I'm going to put that back. Shop 4, we had that bundle of red diamonds with Shop 7 and Shop 8. So this is Shop 8, the pair of red earrings, which is perfect for pink. And then we had, again, it takes Shop 10, which is going to be the square cut studs. Shop 10, and then we just had Shop 18. And then we are going to have one more pair of earrings, which is going to be a hoop. So not a stud, but a hoop. And that's coming here shortly. So we are going to look at our final bracelet of our collection, Shop 19. We're going to look at Shop 19, and this is stunning as well. So this is going to be G2H lab-grown diamonds, 2.35 carats of diamonds. It is a station bracelet in rhodium over sterling silver. Right now, let's look at those sizes. We got 6.5, 7.25, and 8 inches, and we're running out of those. These are a low stock alert. We have maybe 2 or 3 in each length. So do not wait on this. Do not wait. This is a little bit different than a traditional tennis bracelet. It is a station design. So do you see that? That you have these beautiful stations that are kind of moving around. So again, you have these little walls of diamonds that are all connected. So those are all soldered together. 26 baguette lab-grown diamonds. So we got 26. We have over 50 diamonds. And this is very much an Art Deco inspired design. All set. We got baguette cut, we got round, and all of them are set in a station design. So each one is individually and then linked together. And it's all cascade and connects to the tab insert right there. It is stunning. So I love this one. Again, it's very beautiful sparkle. And what I would do, you guys, is I would look at Shop 13 and 11. 13 and 11, the matching kind of Art Deco inspired ring and pendant, and add the beautiful bracelet. Look at that. Shop 19 going with Shop 11 and Shop 13. You guys, that would be beautiful because it has that rectangular shape. That really, really works. So right now, Shop 19, you guys, we're running so low. These are definitely going to be sold out within 48 hours. I can feel it because it is so beautiful. Again, a beautiful bracelet is one of those things that's perfect for Valentine's Day too, because it's one of those things you could wear casual, wear it every day, wear it for those special occasions, and you're going to be able to have that extra sparkle. Look at that. It's extraordinary. And right now we have 5-star reviews. We have 87% off. This is normally a $4,200 bracelet. We are going to offer our Shop LC diamond deal, $402 today. $402 today. That is going to be 5 monthly payments of $80, less than $20 a week. And I like how slender this is. It is 4 by 2 millimeters, those baguette lab-grown diamonds, and the small circle round ones are 2 millimeters. So it really is a spectacular width and length. And we got 3 of those lengths available. So don't let that pass you by, you guys. Again, a beautiful classic look for Valentine's Day and beyond. All right, guys, we are going to have 2 more pieces to go. So do not end the broadcast quite yet. So we're going to do 2 more, and then we're going to end a little bit early just to reset, recalibrate for our 8 p.m. Central show, which is going to be precious metals. So we're going to have all the best of our metal pieces, including platinum, gold, and sterling silver. So you do not want to miss that, because right now the price of all of those are skyrocketing. So it's good to buy now, because we're going to give you the best deals on those precious metals. So we're going to look at our last pair of earrings in this beautiful show right now. And this is, again, a take on a hoop earring. Look at this. Do you see those diamonds? We got 0.2 carats hoop earrings in rhodium over sterling silver. We got one, two, three beautiful diamonds set in a beautiful inset design. So we have 3 and 3. We have 6 diamonds all together. And it's minimal design, but it's so sophisticated. It is that mindful elegance. It's luster and shiny in 2 ways. The luster of the sterling silver with the rhodium and that beautiful, beautiful sparkle of diamonds. And let me tell you, if you love hoop earrings, if you love diamonds, this has all of the 2 worlds combined. Right now, again, 0.2 carats. It's going to be about half an inch from top to bottom, and it's just going to dangle a little bit. It is that hinged hoop, so it's going to just hug your ear. It's going to really balance, feel really good. And it is that eco-friendly, sustainable luxury, gives you that extra shine. So there are no diamonds on the back end because we want that lustrous glow without hiding the diamonds. That's why the diamonds are only on the front. And right now, we are going to give you normally $600 estimated retail value. We're going to give you our Shop LC Diamond deal today. It will be $72 today. All in, friends. All in. $72. That is 4 monthly payments. 4 monthly payments of $18. Less than $5 a week. And what's fantastic is that's such a budget-friendly price. You can get one for all your friends, your Valentine's Day celebrations. You can pair it with any of the pieces that we have in our collection right now. So this is a fantastic opportunity. We're putting those SKU numbers below in the chat. You could use those shop numbers, but once we end the live, it's best to copy those SKU numbers. And if you want to call our personal shoppers, that's the best way to let them know which ones you would want. And then use that Live25 code to get that extra 25% off. If you're bundling anything today, it's best to call our personal shoppers. If you have questions and it's not an official bundle, to call them and they'll take care of it if they're able to do that. And again, we do have a few bundles in our collection today. So that is your personal shopper number, 888-835-2237. They'll help you out. They'll make sure you get the deals. And of course, those lab-grown diamond deals. All right, everyone, friends, family, Shop LCers, we are going to do our final item of our show. And this is a classic serpentine necklace. Again, ending on something really, really fun and spunky. This is a serpent pendant necklace with a little bedazzle. We have 0.10 carats of mindful sparkle, and it's very minimal, but look at the sleekness of that rhodium over sterling silver 20-inch chain it comes with, so it's a little Texas twofer. And right now, look at that. The body of the snake is going to have all of those diamonds cascading all the way through. This is normally a $500 value. We are going to give you the Shop LC deal, which, again, I love to give it out. More the merrier, right? I want to share the love. So look at that. There's a close-up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 round diamonds set in the slithering using the scales of the snake. Right? It's January, right? It's a new chapter, new beginnings. Snakes shed their skin and then they're a whole new being, right? They shed one layer and then they reveal a whole new layer. Just like us in the new year, right? We take away the bad stuff, we put away all the bad stuff, and then we become anew, right? In the new year. So this is a beautiful representation of that new year, right? And it's really fun and it's beautiful. And it really just gives you that extra fun, spunky sparkle. Right now, we're going to give you this opportunity to bring this home. $102 today. $102 today. That is 5 monthly payments of $21. 5 monthly payments of $21. That's less than $5 a week, you guys. And that is a fantastic opportunity to bring something that is just so classic and sleek and fun. And it is going to be able to move around. So you can, again, switch out the pendant if you need to use the chain for something. Another lab-grown diamond piece we have in our collection, maybe. But again, it's you can switch it out, you can switch it around. So right now, you guys, that is an incredible buy. $20 a month with our budget pay. And again, we appreciate you all joining in for our Shop LC shows. We appreciate you hanging on. We had a little technology issue in the beginning, but now we did our full show, so I'm excited. We are going to do an 8 p.m. Central show about precious metals. We got some gold, we got some sterling silver, we got some platinum. So I'm very, very excited. We have something for everyone and every price point leading into whatever occasion that you might need. So I'm very excited. Thank you all so much for being here. Again, follow, like, subscribe to Shop LC. Let us know again that you're coming to GemFest, RSVP February 20th, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. here in Austin, Texas. We're going to open our doors and showcase the beauty that and just fun, right? So I'm very excited. Again, you can RSVP through that QR code, through the phone number. You can even call us, email us. You can also just find our VIP Facebook group as well as the Facebook event that we have, and just RSVP there and make sure everyone knows you're coming. And again, follow and share with your friends Shop LC's platforms. I'm Emily Mae. I'm one of the hosts here, and you can follow me on all social platforms at Emily Mae Heller. That's MaeHeller. Again, always a joy. Again, I'm going to be heading into that 8 p.m. show, so we're going to take some time, reset, make sure we are all calibrated to unlock those beautiful, precious metal beautiful pieces. I'm excited. I was like looking at them a little bit earlier and I was like, oh, I can't wait. So remember, call our personal shoppers if you need some help. Use that Live25 code, RSVP to GemFest. And also remember, every item that you purchase today, we're going to make sure that you sponsor a meal for a child in need. So again, we're also choosing sustainable luxury here. So again, 2 amazing benefits when you shop this show today. So I'll give you 48 hours to shop, and you can always go back on Facebook, go back on the website and shop LC's app and make sure that you're shopping with us today. Just look for that live stream tab, scroll all the way down, find the Lab Grown Diamond Show, and get to shopping. Well, thank you all so much, you guys. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here with me. Again, I'm getting back into the groove of things after being gone for a few days. So I appreciate you all being so kind and welcoming me back into our Austin, Texas studio. So I appreciate you all, and I hope you have some fun shopping. Remember, let our personal shoppers know at 888-835-2237 what you might need help with creating these beautiful diamond bundle deals. I appreciate you all. Remember, always embrace your sparkle. Thank you all so much, friends. See you soon.